Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 3. We would like to present our presentation is about business plan. So, before we start, let's us introduce ourselves. My name is Murni Sulistyawati, and I'm here as a moderator in this presentation, and I'm also here with my friends Ardila Sekartinanti and Sarah Fatia Azahra. So, let's get started. Did you guys know what is business plan? Business plan is a plan of what we will do in business in the future, sources, problem factors, and opportunities. The content of start off from mission statement, key factors, market analysis, production, management, and financial analysis. The need for a business plan becomes absolute if we are going to run a business, because business plan itself is like a map and compass to run a business. With a business plan, we can set the goals of our business, set priorities, and establish cash flow, while a business plan will make the change of success of our business even higher. A good business plan itself is a process, not just planning. Good business plan indicators include simple, contains ease and practicality to be implemented, specific, concrete, measurable, specific in time, personal and budget, realistic in goals, budget, and time achievement targets, and complete or all its elements. As we mentioned before, the business plan itself is like a map and compass to run a business. Without a business plan, a business will not run well. Therefore, business plan certainly has several benefits that we can use to build a business. The first one is business objective become clearer. The main benefit of business plan are to design a strategy and initial plan for your business. So by drawing up your business plan, you will be more directed to reach the target you want to achieve. The second is your priority will make more sense. In creating a plan, you will learn to prioritize your business. Those priorities include corporate growth, finance, and business management. Implementing those priorities is small but very important, because if you focus on the priorities you've set in the first, then your business will grow faster. The third, business plan will minimize the risk of failure. By doing a planning, of course, you are preparing to build a business seriously and professionally. When you create a business plan, you become aware of what problems you are going to face, and you can consider the impact of each one and find a way out to solve every problem. The fourth is predicting the future. With a business plan, you can predict the future of your business. Of course, when you are putting together a business plan, you will create a short, medium, and long-term picture of your business. And the last one is find a source of funds. The next topic will be explained by Sarah Fatia Azahra.
The next topic is types of business plan. Before understanding how to develop a good business plan, we must understand about the different types of business plan. There are several types of business plan that we can determine before starting a business. The first one is startup business plan. Startup business plan will explain the company to be established. Startup business plan has the content of the product or service that you want to offer to the public. Competitor evaluation, market evaluation, marketing team, management system, and various risk factors. The second one is strategic business plan. Strategic business plan is type of business plan that is quite complicated compared to the previous type of business plan. In this business plan, there are variety of things that are more specific in explaining the objective that the company wants to achieve. The third one is operation business plan. Operation business plan is one of business plan created specifically for internal practice for the company only. In this business plan, there are plans and regulations about the course of the company. Furthermore, in this business plan also lists various responsibilities for every person who interests in the company.
Next is Development Business Plan. Development Business Plan is a complete explanation related to business to be built. In this business plan, contain all the completeness related to the organization of the company, administration, and accountability borne by the employee. Therefore, this business can be used for internal parties or external parties. And the last one is Growth Business Plan. Growth Business Plan is a business plan that contains the company's future development planning. This business can be utilized for internal and external needs in order to get more capital from investors. However, if if the business plan is utilized for external purpose, then the business plan must contain a detailed explanation of the company, management structure, and what parties occupy important positions.
Next, how to run a business. When a business has been created, after that is to run business by working with others to develop the business. However, there are certainly several ways that can be applied in running a business. Next, the first one is determine the name of the company. A lot of preparation needs when building a business. What what that seems One that seems trivial but important is finding a name as brand. You need a unique company name to be able to catch the public attention. The second one is determine the field of business to be run. Business field covering goods and service. If you intend to make a business in field produce of the product, then of course you must also choose what the product you will sell. Next. The third one is describe the product description. This section contains a brief explanation of the product as well as advantage of the product as compared to the other products. The fourth is marketing aspect. This section contains about market targets that you will plan to market the products you will sell, such as plans to spread promotion through social media or directly. Next. Next is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is used by an innovative company to get input from customers to add their unique voice into business decision consideration. If you're starting or running on your business, you should do a business SWOT analysis that use SWOT analysis to assess their current situation and determine strategies for moving forward. Here's an explanation SWOT analysis. The first one is strength. This element discusses about the things your company or project does very well. This can be something intangible such as company brand attributes or something more easily defined such as a unique sales proportion for a particular product line. And it can also be with existing human resource within your company, such as a strong leadership or a great engineering team. The second is weakness. After you know the strength, it's time to turn that critical self-awareness on your weakness. This element can include organizational challenges such as a shortage of skilled people and financial or budget constraints. The third one is opportunity. Opportunity, it includes everything you can do increase sales, grow as a company, or advance your organization mission. So environment analysis will certainly have a huge effect on this element. The last one is threat. Threat is everything that is based on your company or the possibility of its success of or growth. This can include things like emerging competitors, change in regulatory laws, financial risk, and almost anything else that could potentially threaten the future of your company.
The next topic will be explained by Ardila Sekarkinanti.
Many people make common mistakes when embarking on the task of writing a business plan. To help you avoid some common mistakes, review the following 5 recommendations on what you should do and not do when writing a business plan. Next. While creating a business plan is a vital step in starting or operating a small business, it can often feel overwhelming. Below are 5 recommendations on what you should do to write an effective business plan. Following these suggestions should have help as the common stress that many people experience when writing a business plan. The first one is writing your own plan and seek input. Since you know your business the best, make sure you create your own business plan. The second is include all 8 sections in your business plan. The business plan outline includes 8 sections: executive summary, company information, product and or service, market analysis, strategy and implementation, web plan, management team, and financial analysis. The third is conduct research and provide accurate numbers. The information included in your business plan should be as accurate as possible. The fourth is explain both strengths and weakness of your business. Every business has both strength and weakness. A good business plan explains both your strength and weakness and provide a strategy to overcome or mitigate your weakness. The last is review and update your plan regularly. A business plan is a living document which will need to be updated as conditions change. Many people make common mistake when embarking on the task of writing a business plan. To help you avoid some common mistake, review the following 5 recommendations on what you should not do when writing a business plan. The first is do not expect to write your business plan in one day. Planning, preparing, researching, and writing your business plan is very time consuming. The second is do not overestimate or underestimate numbers. The accuracy of your business plan is crucial to the success of your business. The third is do not leave out pertinent details. A detailed business plan demonstrates your dedication to the success of the business. The fourth is do not reuse wording from business plan templates or software programs. When using a template of software programs to write your business plan, be sure to customize to the wording. And the last is do not assume your audience members are experts in the industry. Most often, the audience of your business plan will not be an industry expert.
So that's all from us. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.